Namaste dear students, now let us discuss preparation of dihydrogen commercially. Already we have seen how to prepare the dihydrogen commercially by electrolysis process. Now let us discuss in another method. Okay? You can see dear students, commercial production of dihydrogen in part 2. So we have seen already in part 1. Okay? Right. Let us see dear students, by commercial production of dihydrogen by the reaction of steam on hydrocarbons or coke. Hydrocarbon means alkanes, coke means carbon. Steam, water vapors when react with the hydrocarbons or coke at high temperature in presence of catalyst yield a dihydrogen. See the one example dear students. I took here alkane CnH2n plus 2 plus N2NH2O. CnH2n plus 2 is known as alkane. So what is the answer? At 1270 kelvins in presence of nickel catalyst, it gives carbon monoxide plus H2 gas, 3N plus 1 H2. Suppose if I take the CH4 molecule example. For example, let us see CH4 react with the water vapors. It gives so carbon monoxide and H2 gas, dear students. Here the mixture of carbon monoxide H2 is known as water gas. This mixture can be called as water gas, dear students. This mixture is also known as water gas or syn gas. It is also known as synthesis gas. Why do we call it as synthesis gas or syn gas? This mixture can be used to prepare so number of other hydrocarbons, dear students. Okay, or alcohols. I will show you. Okay, let us see. So by the reaction of steam and hydrocarbons, suppose now let us see the coke. Just now we have seen with the hydrocarbons alkane, when carbon react with H2O gives carbon monoxide and hydrogen. So in presence of catalyst, that mixture can be called as water gas. So add to knowledge, what is a water gas? Just now I said, the mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen is called water gas. It is produced from sewage, sawdust, scrap wood and newspaper, etc. dear students. It is used for the synthesis of methanol and the number of hydrocarbons, so that it is also called synthesis gas or syn gas. What do you mean by syn gas or synthesis gas? It can be useful for the synthesis of methanol and number of other hydrocarbons. Therefore, the mixture of CO and H2 is known as syn gas. What is a coal gasification? This process is also known as Bosch process, dear students. Let us say the process of producing syn gas from coal is called coal gasification. Just now I gave equation, carbon plus H2O, coal or coke and carbon. React with at 1270 Kelvin temperature, it gives mixture of CO and H2, means water gas. This reaction is known as coal gasification or Bosch process. Okay, right. So one more point. So what is a water gas shift to reaction? Dear students, look at here, the production of dihydrogen can be increased by the reacting carbon monoxide of syn gas with steam in presence of iron chromate catalyst. See, the mixture of carbon monoxide react with water at 673 kelvins in presence of iron chromate FeCrO3. It increases the production of hydrogen, dear students, in the formation of carbon dioxide. This reaction is known as water gas shift reaction. Very, very important. Water gas shift reaction is used to increase the production of hydrogen gas by using carbon monoxide of water gas react with C. Okay. So the different source of commercial production of dihydrogen. Dihydrogen, look at it, petrochemicals, coal and electrolysis of others. So its percentage, you can see, dear students, 77% of dihydrogen can be produced from petrochemicals. Okay, from the coke 18%, from electrolysis 4%, from other sources we will get only 1%. See, the based on that one question here, water gas is a mixture of carbon monoxide and oxygen, carbon dioxide and hydrogen, sulfur dioxide and hydrogen. Yes, CO and H2, which is the correct answer here, dear students. So the mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen is known as water gas. Okay, it is also known as syn gas. Okay. Right, so why do we call it as syn gas? It is used to prepare number of hydrocarbons and alcohols, dear students. That is the one more question. The commercial production of dihydrogen from the petrochemical, how much percentage? Just now we have seen 77%, so 4%, 1%, which is the correct answer among these? Option B is correct, dear students. Fine. So 77% of hydrogen can be produced from petrochemicals. Right. Let us see the, so thank you dear students. This is about the preparation of dihydrogen from other processes. Okay, so we have completed preparation of hydrogen. Thank you dear students to all.